Farmers in Punjab been asked to burn their stubble residue after 4 p.m. as NASA images have been taken from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We have Fateh Jang Bajwa, senior leader of BJP here in Punjab and also vice president. So you must have seen India Today's that sort of a sting story that how Patwaris and farmers been claiming that they've been asked to burn this stubble after 4 p.m. So do you find any logic of government behind it, or it's just a data sort of management, so they are not defamed?
No, no. What else the farmer can tell you? Farmer has, in fact, given you the entire picture. What the government and the bureaucrats have been guiding them. You see, there's a lot of hue and cry that this stubble residue comes from Punjab, and for that reason, Delhi pollution rate goes very up. And as long as Punjab doesn't, try to control this kind of a thing, the air in Delhi is going to be polluted day after day. But at the same time, you see, the government in Punjab is also of Aam Aadmi Party, and Delhi is also Aam Aadmi Party. When it was Congress government, they used to say, "Bhi, ये जो धुआं आ रहा है पंजाब की तरफ से ये हमारा सारा वातावरण को खराब कर रहा है." आज आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है, ये सरकार क्या कर रही है? इन्होंने बजाय किसान को इम्प्लीमेंट देने, किसान की मदद करके स्टबल बर्निंग को रोकने के लिए कोई वे आउट, they should come out with a way out. But at the same time, what they did was they are misguiding the farmers. They are compelling the farmers that look, government image is having a beating. So what you do is that if you have to burn the stubble, please burn it after 4 o'clock. Because the NASA images and the Google images doesn't take clear picture after 4 o'clock because it started getting dark. And for that reason, you will also be clear of that. But if in case any Patwari comes, any team comes, those who are, they put a FIR on you, or they put any red entry in your revenue record. We will handle it. Don't worry. Don't get panicked over it. We will manage everything. But please, for God's sake, Punjab government's face should not be defamed. So, this sting operation, I'm grateful to India Today. They have done a very good story. And it is not a story which has been brought out on that, but it was the facts, what they got in front of the people of India. Today, what the situation in Punjab is, that Bhagwant Mann government is clearly, the culprits. They are the ones, their bureaucrats are the ones, those who are asking the farmers to do this wrong thing. And I believe on your camera, the farmers, Mr. Khosa, who's a union leader, has already said and already admitted that yes, we were told by the ministers, and where your reporter was asking them time and again, did the minister tell you? They said, yeah, 3 ministers, and so were the ministers. And then at the same time, they said, the bureaucrats, we were passed on, the Patwari was seen, admitting it, that please burn the stubble after 4 o'clock and we look after you. If this is the situation, who is going to help the people of either Delhi or Punjab? What I'm saying is, Aam Aadmi Party is basically the main culprit. They are doing the wrong thing. They should be punished. Their government should be punished. Their bureaucrats should be punished. Why the farmer? Why the red entry in farmers' revenue record? Why not the red entry in their bureaucrats' ACR? The bureaucrats' ACR should be, the red entry should go in there. Why should the farmer who is not even a party to that, but they have been forced to do that?
You'll also file a complaint to Governor of Punjab. You said
we planning, our party is planning to give a memorandum to the Governor of Punjab that this is what the Aam Aadmi Party, Bhagwant Mann government doing in Punjab. They are the culprits. They are asking the farmers to burn the stubble after 4 o'clock. What kind of action is the center government going to take on the state government? You know, someone has to be punished for that. They just can't go scot-free. So what I feel is that center government then, after the governor sends this memorandum down to the center government, so then the action would be taken. Whatever the government does, we want to see the government, this government or the next government, should not be misleading the Bhola Bala farmers. They rather should be giving them the implements. But this is the way out. The alternative for that. This is what I believe.
So this was Fateh Jang Bajo saying that BJP will give a memorandum to the governor of Punjab and action should be taken against government officials or the employees with government of Punjab, so that stubble burning is taken seriously and an action should be taken against who suggested farmers to burn stubble residue after 4 p.m. when NASA images are taken prior to that. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.